Hello. I know everybody is as excited about summer projects as Rachel here. This form is your way to join a team and get involved in a project for the summer. The key to any online project being successful is participation. The expectation for being involved in a CodeDevils summer project is elevated from where we've had the bar during the spring semester. For most of us, projects represent a practical way to get knowledge in programming and to build our repositories up for our portfolios. In order to ensure we are successful in this endeavor, we have some specific guidelines. The purpose of the form is to decide which projects we will pursue during the summer. Each team needs at least 3 members and must have a project manager. A project with more than 3 members and without a project manager will not be chosen. There are 11 projects to choose from. You may indicate your interest in a project by ranking it from 1 to 11. You may also indicate yes, if you'd like to be the project manager. You only need to provide answers on the projects for which you are interested in being a team member or project manager. You will be added to the teams which are selected for the summer by how you've ranked them. You have an opportunity at the end of the form to indicate how many projects you are willing to participate, up to 3. Project manager is a key role. The project manager will have discretion over the process used for the projects such as Agile or Waterfall. The project manager is responsible for setting the project up and arranging meeting times. Each team is required to have regular meetings and a record kept of those meetings. There should be at least 2 meetings each week. These can be quick meetings via Slack to discuss progress on the project. Anyone wanting to join the team after the start of the project must inquire with the project manager. Project managers will be selected based off the following in order. If the project was their idea. If they've worked on the project longer than anyone else. If it is a brand new project and the previous criteria doesn't apply, the first person to respond via this form becomes the project manager. This is a big responsibility and should be planned for accordingly. See an officer if you have questions about being project manager which aren't answered in this form. Team members need to participate, be productive, and attend project meetings. You will need to dedicate 2 to 4 hours per week to your team. A team member who consistently misses project meetings without reason or cause may be removed from the project team.
Hello, Peter. What's happening? I'm gonna need you to go ahead and come in tomorrow. So if you could be here around 9, that would be great. Okay?
Here are some other notes about the projects and selection. A project which fails to have meetings over a 2-week period will be shut down, unless there is justification for the lack of meeting. Project management issues will be addressed by the Officer Council. This includes misconduct by a project manager or team member. You will demo your product periodically to the club for feedback and there will be a required final presentation on August 15, 2017. All projects need to have an updated copy on the A.S.U. CodeDevils GitHub repository. All projects should include the MIT license. All projects will be added to a master list on www.codedevils.org. Each project should have an active wiki attached to the repository. The projects will officially run from May 15 to August 15. The events/projects coordinator Stephanie will meet with each team periodically through the summer. We look forward to getting these projects in motion. There are things which you may not be familiar with, including GitHub, licensing, and creating product demos. These are things which you will be learning as the project begins. The best practice is to ask questions of your project manager or the CodeDevils officers for direction. We're all learning this together. Good luck and have fun.